These 6 AI tools are completely free and can save you hours of work every single day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones to use to level up. The last one is so powerful it's like having a personal search engine from the future. Let's kick things off with the most famous AI tool in the world. You've probably already tried it, but stick around because I'm going to show you how to use it in ways most people haven't even thought of. The first tool is ChatGPT. This AI can write emails, generate ideas, explain complicated topics, create scripts, summarize articles, or even help you learn new skills faster. Imagine trying to come up with a YouTube video idea, but your brain is completely blank. You open ChatGPT and type, "Give me viral video ideas about productivity." And within seconds it gives you multiple titles, hooks, and outlines you can actually use. Here's a little challenge for you. While watching this video, try asking ChatGPT to rewrite one of your old emails or posts in a fun, entertaining tone. You'll see just how quickly it can transform your content. You can also ask it to generate business ideas, create study plans for new skills, or even write a speech, a joke, or a full script. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you can use it completely free. The next tool is Leonardo AI. This platform lets you generate high-quality images just by typing a description. Imagine typing "a futuristic city glowing at night with neon lights," and within seconds the AI creates multiple detailed images that look like they took hours to make. People are using this to create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, wallpapers, posters, and even profile pictures, all from a single sentence. Here's a fun idea. Try designing a thumbnail while watching this video. You'll see how addictive and fun it is. You can tweak styles, generate multiple versions, and refine prompts until you get the exact design you want. The free plan gives you daily tokens, so you can start experimenting without paying anything. It's an amazing way to bring your ideas to life visually, even if you're not a designer. The next tool is Claude. Claude is another AI assistant, but it can handle huge amounts of text and documents. You can upload long PDFs, research papers, reports, or transcripts and ask the AI to summarize them, extract key insights, or explain complex topics in simple terms. Imagine uploading a 100-page document and asking the AI for the 5 most important takeaways. Instead of spending hours reading everything, you get the key insights almost instantly. Think about how much time that would save you. Students use it to understand complicated subjects faster. Entrepreneurs use it to research markets or analyze competitor reports. Creators use it to break down long articles and generate new ideas. Claude also has a free version that anyone can start using right now. The next tool is Runway. This platform lets you create AI-generated video clips using simple text prompts. Imagine typing "a small boat floating on a calm lake at sunset, with gentle ripples on the water," and instantly getting a short video clip based on that description. Runway also lets you remove objects from videos, change backgrounds, and add advanced visual effects that normally require expensive editing software. Here's a tip. You can use it to spice up any video, even a personal vlog or a reaction clip. Many creators are experimenting with Runway to add AI-generated visuals into their content, and the free plan gives you enough credits to get started without spending a penny. The next tool is Notion AI. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can manage notes, tasks, projects, and documents. With AI added, it becomes incredibly powerful. You can instantly summarize notes, generate written content, turn messy brainstorming into organized plans, and automatically create to-do lists. Imagine having a page full of random ideas and asking the AI to turn them into a clear step-by-step plan. Within seconds, everything becomes structured and easy to follow. Students can organize research, creators can plan video scripts, and anyone can manage their life more efficiently. Notion itself is free to start, and the AI features offer trials so you can explore what it can do without paying. Here's a little challenge. Try creating a quick plan for your week or a project while pausing this video, and you'll see how much easier it gets with Notion AI. Finally, the last tool is Perplexity AI. This tool is like a next-generation AI-powered search engine. Instead of just showing links like Google, it gives you direct answers along with the sources it used. Imagine asking a question and getting a full, well-organized answer instead of 10 tabs of links you have to click through. Here's a fun idea. Try asking it something weird or random and see how it gives a clear answer with sources. It's perfect for researching topics, learning new things quickly, or even fact-checking information. The free version allows you to run searches and ask questions right away, making it incredibly useful for students, professionals, creators, or anyone curious about the world. So those are 6 of the best free AI tools you can start using today. AI tools are evolving incredibly fast, and new ones appear almost every week. Here's a question for you. Which of these tools do you think will save you the most time? Comment below because I'd love to see which one excites you the most. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content about business and AI tools that can make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.